Hi everybody, it's Annette coming to you live from the next door Budrum News Agency. We've just called in because today, guess what's happened? Come on, let's have a look. My new book's arrived in the news agency. Come on, let's check it out. I can see it. Here it is. Yay! There it is. Yay, yay, yay. Oh my gosh. There's my new baby. It's hit all news agencies throughout Australia today. So how good is that? Now I am so proud of this new book, not only because the recipes are amazing, but it's really a great theme. And it's not like a normal book. It's not a number 8. It's cooking for 1 or 2 people. And I was just talking to the newsagent now, and it's in Queensland. It's like 10 to 10, and he's already sold a couple already this morning, which is fantastic. But when you look through the book, you'll see lots of amazing recipes. Like here's my gorgeous hubby Billy. I thought I'd let him have a picture in there. And what I also did, and I want to sort of talk a little bit about why this is such an amazing book. A lot of times people talk about leftovers, and I think food waste is becoming quite prevalent in the media lately, talking about how much food we Australians waste. And so I looked at this book and I thought, well, this is great because you can make smaller serves just for 2, and so you're not getting all these leftovers and the freezer's not blocked with all these different meals. But then what happens is when you're making, say, butter chicken, you get left with half a can of evaporated milk, or if you're making something with the canned tomatoes, once again it's half a can's left over, which is actually 3/4 of a cup. So I worked out this great way. I know I'm a little bit clever, and on this page here in book 4 you'll see it says ingredients cross-reference list. So here's the measurements of all the little containers you'll need to make your what is it, like lasagna for 2, shepherd's pie for 2, and the little casseroles and that. But what's here is, for example, when I mentioned to you the evaporated light milk, so what I've done is, because you've got a serve left, for making a recipe, I've listed all the recipes in this fabulous book using the evaporated light. So for example, I could make the pasta with the creamy bacon sauce, and then a few days later, I could make Penang chicken. I know. So this way you don't have any waste or leftovers hanging around, and I'm so happy because that means we're saving time and money. So when you look through the book, it's just so fantastic. I mean, today's the day that it's in all newsagents throughout Australia, and you can see some of the old favourites in there. Here's a new recipe. It's my cauliflower fried rice, because a lot of people are getting into that carb thing. I love it. It's so yum. And I've given you a variation there so you can have it without the bacon if you don't want that, or the ham or bacon. What's in it? Let me check. I can't remember. Yeah, it's ham. So you can have alternates with it. This is a new recipe here that I did, Indian curried beans, which is fantastic because, I mean, who doesn't love baked beans? But now you're making it yourself with a curry hit. I know, it's fabulous. So there's all these recipes. You've got so many. There's another new one, Italian fish. I'm having that for lunch today. It's on my menu. And another one, sticky Chinese prawn. So as you go through, you'll see some favourites, but you'll also see lots of new ones as well. And of course, you've got the nutritional panel. When it's a new recipe, you'll see here, you've got the little symbol that says new. But I kind of feel like, in a way, they're all a bit new because you're making them for 1 or 2. So it's quite a difference. For example, when you're making up a stir fry, instead of making for 4, now you're making for 2. And I've got to say, when we were making them in the 4, we'd serve up out of the wok and maybe only land up with 1 serve left. So I think we were over-serving ourselves, because it's so easy to do, isn't it? Whereas now it's just divided into 2 and you're good to go. So there is my new baby. There's another new recipe. Oh my gosh, the Thai pork balls are amazing. I'm obsessed with them. There's the good old shepherd's pie, which used to be serves 8, now serves 2. You've got your beef tortilla stack. I know, once again, that's right, it serves 2. But then when you whip into, let's go to the, oh yes, hello, raspberry cheesecake used to serve 12, now it serves 2. There's a couple of new recipes for you to enjoy. But what's great is that you can even make your Christmas pudding now and make it for 4 instead of 16. And that's so for some people, that's just all they need. And what a great little gift maybe to make someone. And here's wine trifle serves 2. Just make your 2 little individual serves, and then then we go into the baking. So lots and lots of great things happening in the new book. Just remember, you know, today's the day. I'm here at Nextra Budrum News, and going to you live, and I know that they're hitting all newsagents throughout Australia today. So grab your copy. They're only $14.95, like all the other ones were, except for book 6. And I'm excited for you guys because I think you're going to not only have some new recipes, but some oldies made new. So thanks for joining me today. We're all very excited. It's simply too good to be true. A new baby's arrived. And, you know, if you have any problems getting it, like, for example, if you go to your newsagent and they didn't get any stock or they've sold out, just tell them to order your copy from Gordon and Gotch. They're our distributors. Or you could email us at admin@simplytoogood.com.au, and just put your postcode in. That's all we need is your postcode, and we'll find one for you. So enjoy my new book. Very excited today. Thanks. See you soon. Bye.